The Broil King Infrared Side Burner. Broil King's infrared side burner technology gives you the ability to sear and grill quickly and efficiently. The high-powered 10,000 BTU infrared side burner is designed to generate radiant heat up to a scorching 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like having the power of the sun inside your side burner. This infrared side burner easily integrates into the side shelf of any Broil King Imperial, Regal, or Baron grill. Each kit includes a professional-grade 8mm stainless steel cooking grid with 115 square inches of grilling space. Sear steak, chops, or tuna to perfection. Side burners are also great for boiling a pot of corn, preparing side dishes, vegetables, sauces, stir-fries, and bacon and eggs too. It's a unique addition to Broil King's legendary cooking system for greater versatility when grilling. The Broil King Infrared Side Burner. Broil King. Do more with your grill.